How's it going, everybody? It's Mike here, and today I'm in the brand new 2015 Ford F-150 FTX built by Tuscany. It is the all-new F-150, obviously, that came out in 2015, completely redesigned, and this one is taking it even a step further. So with no further ado, we're going to get into it here. I'm obviously sitting inside the truck here, and the main customization and what Tuscany has done to the F-150 is on the exterior. But just to touch base real quick since we're in here, as you can see, the FTX embroiderment in the seats, and also the floor mats of this truck. That's the main thing I would say that's been done to the interior of this truck. The main upgrades and the customized parts of this truck is on the exterior. So what we're going to do is take a look at everything that Tuscany has done to this truck here, or at least a big part of it. The wheels are 20-inch FTX alloy PVD coated wheels sitting on BF Goodrich tires, 325/60 20-inch. There's a 6-inch suspension lift, obviously by Tuscany. Heavy duty Tuscany performance tuned shocks. All around the truck, you will see the FTX badging. Customize fender fares. This truck is powered by the 5.0 V8, 385 horsepower, 385 pound-feet of torque, making it sound awesome out of the pipe exhaust system that's on this truck. See the painted custom rear bumper cladding, as well as the front bumper with the FTX fascia. A painted tonneau cover with a carpet liner. Chrome mirror caps. The chrome tow hooks. And everything is covered by a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty. To get a full list of everything that Tuscany has done, I will provide that in the description box of this video here. What I chose to do was just to go over some of the features and basically just give you more of a visual of how the truck looks. But if you want to get into exactly what has been done to this truck here, please take a look at the description box below this video. So inside this truck, you will find, mostly everything in this truck here is very familiar with, a Lariat or a Platinum King Ranch F-150. It has all the amenities and luxuries of a top-of-the-line Ford truck. I'm going to go ahead and start it up here. Obviously, push button start, put your foot on the brake, hit the push button ignition. Love the sound of that 5.0 V8 from Ford, 385 horsepower and 385 pound-feet of torque. So if you watched any of my other F-150 videos, especially the King Ranch one that I did here a little while back, you'll see a link pop up on your screen right now. If you want to check that out, I go pretty in depth of all the new features for the F-150, the 8-inch productivity screen and so on, so feel free to check that one out as well. But we're going to go through it here real quick. As you could see earlier, the FTX badge in the seats here, custom made. You have the, let's see if I turn it around here, you got the FTX floor mats as well. And you know, all the luxuries that you might need. You got the cooled seats, heated seats, also available on the touchscreen. You have your heated steering wheel, the My Ford Touch infotainment system.
We used to have it all, but now's our curtain call. So hold for the applause.
Everything's voice activated as well.
Please say a command.
Sirius 53.
Tuning to channel 53.
Least we stole the show. Least we stole the show. Least we stole the show. Least we stole the show.
Got a great sound system. All in all, I would say this truck here is all about the exterior and all the upgrades that it does have. The interior is beautiful, but all in all, it's the exterior and the way that this truck looks, sounds, that is the main attraction of this FTX Tuscany built Ford F-150 Lariat trim level. See here as well, before we end this video, you see you have your active park assist button, your lane keeping system, which is a class exclusive for the truck segment. Only Ford offers those amenities right there. Give you a last sound here before we end this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you found any value in this video here. If there's more where this came from. I thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.